What do we got going on today? Well, a buddy of mine ordered this shop light off Amazon, and it was dead on arrival. And they sent him another one. They said don't have to ship the other one back, so he asked me if I wanted to dig into it, see if I can see what's going on. I said sure. And I was just finished filming like the intro to working on getting back to work on this four-wheeler, looking at the lighting situation, when I'm like, wait a minute, I might have another light. I just have to fix it. So that's what we're gonna attempt anyway. So we'll figure out what's going on with this thing. I didn't order it. I don't know anything about it. I just know it's an LED shop light. Ordered from Amazon, and it didn't work. So we're gonna see if we can make it work. And if I can make it work, it might be a handy little light for filming. Who knows? We're going to do the obvious first. I don't hear anything broken in there. Yep, nothing. Probably should have cleaned the workbench off first, huh? I mean, it's relatively clean. Oh, they don't give you a lot of wires to work with here. Let's see if I can get this lens out of here. Oh, I don't even see that. Got a little more slack on this side, though. Alright, let me see if I got power coming out of this other end. What can I plug into this? How about another light? All right, so we have power. At least, I wonder if does this control that? No, it doesn't. It's just a pass through. I guess the next thing to test would be to see if I actually have power at the strip. And it is just full current. So I don't know if right now we don't know if it's a faulty switch. Let's see. So got adhesive here. Oh man, my little probe is bent. I wonder if I can use that as a test point. Now, assuming I'm getting through that silicone, I'm not getting any power through. All right, I'm gonna pull the switch out of here. See if I can loosen up that cable stay. Need more room. There we go. Hey, look at that. That sucker was barely in there. It's going to work now. I mean, obviously. Easy fix, right? Well, sort of. You have to actually know how to pull all this crap apart so you can actually have room to get your fingies in there. Man, this thing is bright. Well, cool. All right, not too bad. Just had a pulled wire. Or maybe at the factory they didn't actually get that in there good. I don't know. That's what the problem was. I don't think you guys need to watch me put this thing back together. But, yeah, thanks for hanging. And I'll catch you on maybe this one. That's what I'm working on next. See ya. Maybe. I don't know. I'm kind of blind. It still works even after I put it back together. Amazing.